Hello everyone, and welcome to my web conference exploration. I'm using AnyMeeting. First, I have to choose which I want to use to input my audio. For this, I'm just going to use my computer's mic. And then it's going to tell me all these things that I need to know in order to have a good meeting.
Welcome to AnyMeeting.
So of course it's going to talk to me and try to tell me things to do. I want to allow it to access my microphone so I can speak. And it's telling me my bandwidth is bad.
Line is now unmuted.
Okay. And it was going to talk to me for a little bit. So anyway, here we can look at the top toolbar. I can see my options. Some of my options include having a discussion where everyone is unmuted, but that might not be effective if we have more than a few students in the classroom. It may cause more disruptions. Question and answer mode, the attendees can unmute themselves. This can be problematic because maybe they unintentionally mute themselves or unmute themselves, or maybe they do it at an inappropriate time. And then listen only mode, where only the presenter can unmute a student or a participant. This can be also negative because maybe a student might be skipped over, or the presenter maybe doesn't provide the right amount of time for feedback, or a student wants to ask something and later forgets it. So it's really a balance and really depends on who wants to do what. So we'll close that. Invite, of course, is inviting people to the meeting via email. Record, I can start recording my meeting for those who are not available to attend class. Turn the cam on and off, turn the mic on and off, share it on YouTube or by PowerPoint, PDF. We can also do all our other tools here. So for example, if I want to do a poll, they can see the poll result or not. I can make a poll here. Question: how many hours a week do you study for this course? And then the different answers, I could say 1 to 2, 3 to 4, etc. And then we can save the poll. We can also create another one, or we can edit it, or we can delete it. Next, we can also share PowerPoint and PDF. So here, if I want to, I can upload a file and pull something from here. Maybe I want to, let's see, pull something here, like my 5-paragraph PDF. I can upload it, and then it's ready for the next one. We can also share things directly from my computer screen. I didn't download the screen sharing software, but this is something that's really useful for something that may be very complicated to show. Here we have the chat. If I had other people here, we could chat. And we can have notes. So I can say, I could maybe put the minutes for a meeting. Here you can put, like, at this time we will discuss, the introduction. And then at this time we will discuss, point A. And since this is a public note, the other participants can see it, or I can make it private, just in case I need something to look at in order to stay on task while we're having our discussion. As for other things, we can discuss the audio here, like little things pop up. I also have ads that I tried to crop out of here. And audio options, use the microphone, telephone, like we talked at the beginning. Okay. So here's the message box for the chat. Hello. And I can also lock the meeting so that no one else can attend.
The meeting is locked.
Or I can
no
unlock
other
it.
attendees may join.
All right.
The meeting is unlocked. Other attendees may now join.
my next mission is to figure out how to turn that off. Alright, so that is the basic thing. I'm using anymeeting.com. There are ads, but there are also a lot of tools here, so they're very helpful. And I think that it's very intuitive, and I think it can be interesting enough in the future. I'm going to play along with it more to see if I can make it more engaging or see if there are other options. So that's it. One thing I didn't notice is a whiteboard. I don't believe I have that kind of thing here, but I do have an ability to share notes, and I do have an ability to share on my computer. So hopefully with more exploration I can decide what I want to use more in my presentations. Alright, thank you.